daming ibon. Hello! So now we're here at the airport. In the airport. On the airport.
At the airport.
Nandito kami ngayon sa airport.
I'ma be taking... Ay, hinintay namin ngayon yung mga kasama namin. Wala pa sila. Nandito na ang ibang staff. First batch and second batch.
Ako na New Balance.
Magkaka-ABC Mart na, di ba?
Oo nga yun. Sabihin.
Feeling ko yung price nun mas mahal ng konti. Baka ma-over baggage kami.
Na pa lang to. Sila miss ka.
Ano kayo?
17.
Point 4. Okay.
Oh, hindi nga totoo yung nasa office. 19 years sa office.
Sorry po. Justin kasi may naalala pa
Ay,
eh.
sorry. Inaitin kasi pagkatimbang aray sa office. Ito pa?
Bibili po ako GM right after Agma.
Sino to? Yung banana.
Doors may be open. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Bacolod.
Sa patulog. So, let's see the airport. And on our way to SMX Bacolod. Sorry naman. And this is the day 00. Day 00. Day -01 of the AGMM. And this is Mabel. It's her first AGMM. Hindi naman be. And then, after namin pick upin, diretso kami sa SMX Bacolod for preparations and meetings. Lumipad ang aming team. Ang ganda ng hair ko. Ayun po. Nasa likod. Perfect. Oh!
Hi, Jessica.
We're going on the trip.
Day 0.
Day -01.
-01.
I feel wrecked.
Sige. Taas naman ang angulo na.
Sorry ba? Tigsin sila kita.
UGP.
Together.
Together. Together.
Together. Sasakay sa rocket ship, lilipad kaming Little Einsteins.
Sa batibot. Sa batibot.
It's giving. Agoy.
Recorded. Bakit? Issue sa akin yun. Charot.
Kapala boxing.
Emil, pero bakit? Ginatawag natin na tap.
Parang daan sa ilong.
Charot lang. Anyway, go. So,
Okay, i-replay ko hanggang sa dulong part ng liwanag sa dilim.
Yung ano nga, ang entrance of that, actually.
Kailan kita susunod?
And sa following spot, susundan na po yan. Yung mga galing sa likod, susundan na following spot. Tapos, nakalagay feed mo. Sa level. Narunin sa
Turn, cross, tap, and punch. Tapos, perform version, sir. Perform to perform.
Tapos scene for Heart of Gold, aakyat yung tatlo. Ano, bit-bit na rin dapat nila yung constant contributor. Ang aakyat na lang nadadagdag. Mag-aasan naman si Princess ng ano, nung division, ng itatap.
Opo. REFC lang. Sige, ako na yan.
Yung special awards na yun, yun ang pinakadulo, yung
Check
ano,
natin,
yung
baka
cardboard.
walang-
Yung cash board, tapos yun, yung cash scene na nun, kasi
Nakadikit,
nilaabot
nakadikit na siya sa likod, no?
sa stage na magkakaroon.
I mean, ibibigay niyo na rin siya. Thank you, Amor.
Bit-bit na nila.
Alam niyo, kanina, habang gumagawa ako ng ritual ko, iniisip ko kung anong sasabihin ko sa inyo. I cannot help but look back to what happened yesterday. Guys, yung ating Secretary of Energy, tuwang-tuwa siya sa nakita niya kagabi. Sa hirap at ginhawa, ganito ang samahan ng mga kooperatiba. So I would just go back to my speech yesterday. What should happen in this 3-day event? It's all but reflection and direction. Kaya't sana we maintain the momentum. Itong samahan natin ganito, Pilreca, Nea, iisa yan. Huwag tayong maghihiwalay. Because we are a force to reckon with.
A powerful afternoon, fellow champions of electrification. Are you ready to truly power the future? What an absolute electrifying 2025 NEA Easy Convergence and 46 Pilreca AGMM we've experienced. Our themes, powering the future and beyond power, electric cooperatives, empowering communities, changing lives, deeply resonated, unveiling boundless opportunities ahead. As we look the way forward from this moment, I don't just see challenges, I see boundless opportunities to deepen our impact. We've engaged in groundbreaking discussions and felt the powerful spirit of unity. These aren't just talks, they are vital groundwork preparing us for actionable goals. I'm incredibly optimistic about what we'll collectively achieve, laying the foundation for a truly transformative year. Before I lay out our collective charge for the day ahead, my heart is overflowing with gratitude. To NEA Administrator Antonio Mariano C. Almeda and the entire NEA family, your unwavering support is our collective strength. Our deepest appreciation also extends to our dedicated Power Block representatives, Congressman Sergio Dagook of APEC Party List and Congressman Presley C. De Jesus of ILRECA Party List. Thank you for your tireless advocacy and dedication. Our special thanks to Ms. Nadine Samantha Valderrama, our insightful moderator, and to the Pambansang Wealth Coach, Mr. Chinkitan, whose motivational message provided us with truly breakthrough insights. To our incredible ECGMs, Board Presidents, Board of Directors, Management Team, guests, and all delegates, your presence and active engagement are the very lifeblood of this movement. We offer immense appreciation to the visionary PhilReca Board of Directors for their strategic guidance. A special shout out to GM Virgilio Fortich Jr. for his truly beautiful and resonant rendition of the doxology, and to the Ormeco Band for their incredible band version of the PhilReca hymn delivered on a very short notice. Your talents truly elevated our spirits. Our vibrant performers, the captivating Mascara Festival, dynamic Artian Cheer Dance Squad, and the much-anticipated Sidlak Sangkadalagan performance. Thank you for electrifying our senses. Big thanks to our gracious host, si Becca, the host island, and Edgar 6, the host region, for your warm welcome and meticulous preparation. Nuneco team, PhilAim Region 6, and the entire Region 6 Assist team, your hard work was essential. Our fantastic host, Sir John, Sir Francis, and watch out for Miss Dia. Thank you for your energy and seamless flow. Documentation and technical booth assistance appreciation goes to Sibeco 2 and Sibeco 3 teams, spearheaded by Sir Jerome, along with Sir Reynel, Sir Gisilo, Sir Dan Philip, and Sir Joseph. Documentation team from Ileco 3, spearheaded by Sir Leonard John and Mark Angelo for capturing every moment. Our valued partners, to all our generous service providers whose support is the current that powers the entire magnificent event, from stage design, lights and sounds, venue, catering, grazing table, expo booth, the kids, the bags and the shirts, souvenir program, photo services, and others. We simply couldn't achieve this without your trust and commitment. Finally, to my extraordinary team, the PhilReca 92 West team, and everyone involved in the preparation and execution, your relentless dedication and countless hours made this convergence truly impactful. We always strive for perfection. If there were any small lapses or inconveniences, please know they were far outweighed by the immense passion and hard work invested, all stemming from our profound love for our electric cooperatives. Our commitment is to making every event a truly memorable experience because of that very love for the ECs. As we move forward, let us commit to soaring beyond power. Let's champion innovation, strengthen governance, and foster deeper ties within our communities. The future we are powering is not just bright, it's a beacon of hope. Let's empower communities and change lives, ensuring no Filipino is left in the dark, literally and figuratively. Let's turn discussions into actions, leading our nation to a more electrified, prosperous, and equitable tomorrow. Join us bright and early tomorrow for a moment of stars and sparks, the 2025 Lumens Awards and the 2025 PhilReca Awards from the Wires. Let's celebrate excellence as we close this historic convergence. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Let's make the rest of this convergence truly impactful.